It's a Wednesday, it's the holidays. I'm going to maximize the most out of this day. The view is still not viewing, but the light do be lighting. It looked better earlier. I swear it's only around like 6:30 and 7 a.m. that the lighting is perfect here. And I feel like I always miss it because I'm leaving for work. So I appreciate it today. But we have a lot on our list to do. But before all that, I need to clean because I only realized now that there's so much like dust on the floor. I don't have a vacuum yet, so I still need to look for a good vacuum. But for now, I'll show you what I do. This is what I use. This is a lint roller, but it's a big one, and I use it for the floor. It can go pretty long, but I'm too lazy to stick it on, so this. And oh shoot, this is very sticky and picks up everything. The only problem is that I have to change it all the time. I literally use it everywhere to pick up all the dirt. This'll do. This'll do for the day. I would like to say thank you to UGREEN for sponsoring this segment of the video. I've always been a fan of UGREEN ever since I started the gaming industry or streaming industry. I've purchased products from them because of how reliable the reviews were, and up to this day, I still use them. So when they reached out to me, I was very excited to hop onto this partnership because they sent me one thing that I've been wanting to purchase for myself, but could just never get around to purchasing it for myself. So I'm really grateful to be on this partnership with them. If you guys don't know what UGREEN is, they do a lot of value for innovation electronic products and accessories. They can range from literally almost everything. Today we've received their charging heads. What are these called? Their first robot fast charger, and they come in 2 different colors. There's this like pink purple one, and then there's also a black silver one. They sent me 2 65 watts in pink and black, and then a 30-watt one in pink and black also. And what I love about these is that they have little faces, and I'm going to demonstrate it later, but let's unbox this. Along with that, they also sent me their PD 100 watts max single port fast charging power bank. This has 20,000 mAh. And they also kindly sent me a multi-mode vertical mouse, which I feel is like an ergonomic style of a mouse. So this will be perfect for editing and for working. And I've never tried a vertical mouse, so I'm excited. Like I mentioned, I've been on their products for a while now, and I've never been disappointed. So I'm excited to try these out. Guys, I just unboxed them. They're so cute. And I'm so happy that I got these because this can finally have enough power to wirelessly charge my phone when it's plugged in. So happy with these. Thank you so much, UGREEN. Okay, I'm done fixing up my PC. The wires are more neat. They're tucked away down there. Not the best, but honestly, can't really see any mess. So much trash here to get rid of. I still have this melon that I have to open up before it's about to go bad. Checking in. It is, what time is it? Almost 3, and the watch party starts at 4. I thought it was 1, so I got ready and I'm gonna grab some lunch with my boyfriend. Yay! Decor. It's so hot. I mean, it's been hot the past few weeks, month, lifetime. It's been hot since forever. Make a heart with me.
What?
Make a heart with me.
Gusto mga sausage.
Refrigerators.
The ref?
Yung mga fridge po kayo less
Yung mga 20 cake.
Hi, can I get a tendon? Can I get a tendon for here? And can I get a chicken teriyaki special for takeout? I want that one. Auntie, what's this? I like this. I like this.
Huh?
I like this.
Wait for the Japanese meal.
This is really good. This will be, I don't know what this is, but it's really good. Egg and another one. Yay! It's 10:20 p.m. I just finished my stream. Oh my gosh, I think I just dealt with the first ever pick me girl that I've had in Valorant. Crazy. And then I was troll rated on a holiday, on my only day off. Wild to me. Anyways, moving past that, I am going to take off my makeup and take a nice shower and get into PJs and then have my dinner and watch a show. I think I'm gonna start Queen of Tears. Just because I feel like crying. I feel like being an emotional wreck right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. Good morning, everybody. I really hate it the way I look like in the morning because I just look so crusty. But I filmed a video for this bag for a sponsor, and that's done. And my boyfriend just called me telling me to get ready because we're gonna get breakfast, and I wasn't prepared. So let's go get ready. I'll be wearing makeup today because I'm pretty sure right after my breakfast I have to go get my facial. I'll bring you guys along with me. Let me charge my camera and then I'll be back. Hats never do me any justice. I look funny with hats. Like my face just looks like a ball. Just a little bit. Before. Maybe dark colored hats look better on me. I don't know. Can't really tell. My dirty ass Crocs. Just cause they're the easiest to throw on and off. Actually, this is fine. It's giving very local. Plus the Crocs, it's giving, I planned an outfit, but I didn't plan all the way. Haul. I went to Wellness Plus and I got this aromatherapy trio package. I bought one of these for my brother for Christmas, and up to this day, whenever I visit the house and he opens his door, it always smells so good. So I want that, but for my condo. I'm only gonna do one at a time and see what scent I like the most, but hopefully one lasts me like 1 to 2 months. I also went to Mitsukoshi Beauty, restocked on my favorite oil cleanser. I like the purple one more than the pink one. It just feels more oily. I got a blackheads remover by Biora as well. And then I wanted to try this, but I'll use it once my fridge is here. I'll put this in the fridge. 10-pack medicated face mask. My skin doesn't look that bad from the first time that I had it done. I'm back at my unit and they're gonna be delivering my fridge. I'm so excited! is here. I got a 𝘮𝘮𝘳 just cause 𝘮𝘮𝘳 is pretty good, right? And I have 2 doors now compared to my last one that was just 1 door. Yay! What I'm most excited about my fridge is being able to decorate it. No, it comes off ugly. Wait a darn minute. Oh. There was just an invisible film that was hard to see, but you can take it off quite nicely. Yay! Get it off! Ooh. Hello. I can finally have those kind of shots. It comes with a little egg tray, and I think it fits. I found a cute place to store a few of my Pop Marts, and they just fit the theme so well. Look how cute! But this is how it looks like. I really wish the countertops were like white or terracotta. Is that what it's called? Terracotta? Oh wait, can I tackle this? Can I begin this? Ang daming kalat. Time check, it is 7:45, almost 8. My sister and I are gonna go grab dinner together, and maybe I'll look for like a water jug at Muji if we drop by. I'll bring you guys with me. You know.
Go explore.
Whose room is this? The door's heavy.
Let's stay here tonight? Look at her fridge, look.
Oh, it's really clean. Whoa.
It's not plugged in yet because you have to wait. But look at this.
Look.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Oh!
you said she pissed!
Oh! I thought she already peed.
And Sachi's right there.
Sachi, come here. Yeah?
Yeah, it's on.
Don't you dare be loud. Look, it's touchscreen.
It is?
5, cool.
Wow.
Actually, I don't know. Set.
It's not touch screen.
Sachi.
Hi. look. Thank you. This is kind of nice though. These are huge. This is nice. And it kind of falls on 17.5. He called it a house cat. I'm back at the condo. I bought two things. One is this water jug so I could finally have cold water. And the second is a vinyl. I mainly got this because it's vintage and these are like the kind of songs that I wouldn't choose to play on like Spotify or YouTube. So I want to get to know a few of these songs, and what better way to listen to old songs but on a vinyl player. Oh no. I am getting ready and I moved my candle warmer to the bathroom just because the light here when it's like this, it's just not it. So I decided to use this, and at the same time it makes my bathroom sound really nice and the lighting is like better for me. So I think I like that. The only thing I don't like is the wires, but it's easy to clean up. Dressed and ready to go. This is the fit. These sandals are from 𝘮𝘮𝘮. They hurt a little bit, like here. This is my shirt. I've worn this on a vlog before. These shorts are from, I want to say Zara, but I'm not entirely sure. My bag, Editor's Market. Casual fit for a lunch out with family, and then a grocery run. We had lunch together as a family because I really wanted to get the book Fourth Wing, but I already have the PDF version of it, so I was like, maybe I see if I like it, and if I'm like within like halfway through the book and I really like the book, then I'll buy the physical one. But aside from that, I bought this self-help book. It's called The Age of Magical Overthinking by Amanda Montell, and I really want to start reading more and just overall expanding my vocabulary, making my imagination better, and just learning a lot, especially when I'm commuting. I have a lot of downtime and it would be nice if I could listen to a podcast or read a book. Then I have some records. These are my previous ones. This is my first ever record. Vinyl from 𝘮𝘮𝘮. Back before I knew all the songs here. I love lyric sheets just because look how pretty. League of Legends World Anthems, and I'm so honored to be part of this because there's only 2 of these in the entire Asia Pacific region, and they were kind enough to send it to me because they know how much I love music. So this is of various artists. I haven't opened this. This is thrifted, by the way. It is. Comes with the lyric sheet. feel like it would be better if I had a shelf there.
We're only going to use half of it, but we're going to extract the juice either using a citrus juicer or 5 milliliters of olive oil, 1 teaspoon or 2.5 grams of garlic. But with one of the lemons, slice it in half, and with the other, this can then just be sliced into nice little wedges.
And this is my list. I'm mainly gonna focus on salmon and chicken first, and they're basically all just salmon and chicken with honey, lemon honey glaze. And then I put a lot of veggies and fruits, and then breakfast food, because I feel like that would be the hardest for me, is to be consistent with breakfast. Oh. Camera's about to die.
Help to my family. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you.
I'm back, and I'm not even gonna bother to reshoot me walking in through that door because I'm sweaty. And this my grocery haul, which I said was gonna be small, turned out to be really fucking heavy. I had to walk like 3-4 blocks. That's all I have to say. I'm really tired. First baggie, we got some smushed up bread because I was tired. Guys, do eggs go in the fridge or the pantry? My salmon.
Just smile, cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love.
If you're using broccoli, we're just going to slice around the stalk, cutting off the florets, and you do want to going to add in a pinch of sesame seeds, which would mix around and bring it to a simmer and cook for. Ensure that none of those seeds decide to jump in, and this can just be popped aside.
Leave me here all alone.
Both sides for 1 minute on each, just to get a nice red. It will continue to cook after the salmon.
Oh my god, guys, that's burned.
Go back to the rice. This can then be turned off the heat and leave the lid on for 5
Oh no.
minutes.
It's a little burnt. but it's edible. Good morning, it's Monday. I just changed into my work fit. Currently cooking some rice. Hopefully that works out. And then I'm going to toast up a bread. Just got back from work. It's almost 8. Well, I got home pretty late already. 7:55. The bus took like an hour and it's usually just 20 minutes. Just wild. I have a package that arrived and that is of some lights I wanted to install in the kitchen.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide.
Oh right, it's motion censored. I forgot about that. Motion censored, by the way. Get yourself one of these. You just gotta plug it in whenever you need to recharge it, but it'll turn off by itself. And
Want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
starting with simple dishes first.
I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought.